Howdy YouTube, this is Grebner again. I'm at a completely new spot. This is in Woodford County now. I got a stream here behind me, and I'm kinda in a valley right now. It's November 17th and shotgun season's about ready to start, so I'm getting pretty anxious because I haven't gotten another deer on the ground. I found out that there's other hunters in my spot up in Marshall County because the property line was in a place that I didn't know. I thought the property line was further away. But I think that this is a fairly decent spot that these people are letting me hunt now, but over in that direction right over there is a finger of the valley that goes up into a rye field, and then over here there's another finger that goes up, and right here in front is the valley wall. Now it's starting to get decently evening. I could have sworn about 10 minutes ago I heard a buck grunt, but I'm not sure. We've been having snow flurries and it's pretty cold, but to tell you the truth, I honestly don't know. It could be me doing something wrong, it could be the deer not moving, but I just plain don't know. I don't know if it's me being a shitty hunter or whether the deer just aren't cooperating, but every place I go it seems to be a good spot. I'm just not seeing any deer. So anyways, God bless all your blood brothers and wish me luck.